Hello, humans. I got phantom poop. Who are you? Sir? Sir? That thing as well. Sir, who are you? Sir? No, I will not go away. Okay, hi. Sure. Okay, I'll follow him. He's my friend. Okay. There. I have no idea what I'm doing, and do you want to say hi, sir?
No.
Sir? Sir? I'm a snail. Everyone, if everyone here, you must be a snail. This is my new main outfit because like my dragon wings got scammed. Yeah, I'm recording right now. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, but like I want to talk about phantom poop. Oof, that's sadness. And sir, I want you to say hi. I'm gonna dance on phantom poop now. Phantom poop! Well, actually, let's sleep on phantom poop because that's like much better. Or should I play on phantom poop? I'm gonna dance. Dancing on phantom poop. I think you just ruined the bed there, sir. I think you just messed up my animal jam bed sheets. And Bob just fell. Bob the flamingo. Wanna say hi? Say hi.
No.
Why didn't you say that you like popular minnows?
No.
Yee. So, yeah, this is my new main outfit. I'm a snail, and that's like the best thing in the world. And, here is my, well, actually I can't tell you because, like, I have the, because the screen recorder, I haven't put, like, the, settings on so it can record, like, you know, the, computer sound, so, yeah. But, like, let's dance on phantom poop because, like, that's fun. Everybody likes phantom poop. Phantom poop! Phantom poop! William? William! Wanna shout phantom poop into the microphone? Please? Shout phantom poop! Phantom poop! Okay, bye.